So hello everyone and welcome in this video in our channel IPython from zero to hero. My name is Salah and in this video I will show you how to create a machine learning program to see how much your resume is similar to a description job. So let's start. So the first thing that we must do it is to install the docx2text package. Docx2text package is gonna take a Word document and convert it to a text. So let's install our package. So pip install docx2text and we're gonna run this code. We're gonna wait a few seconds. So it's successfully installed. Then we're gonna import our library. Import library. So import docx2text and run it. Then we're gonna load the data. So today our data is two Word document contain the resume, which be a Python developer resume, and the other will be a Word document for a job description. I will show you. So this is the resume of a developer, a Python developer, and the other one will be a description for a job. I will let you a link in the description if you want to download these files. So let's load the data. So from Google Colab, we're gonna import files. Then we're gonna put a variable, let's name it up, equal to files point upload. Then we run this select. So we choose our two documents and we open it. So it's done. Now we're gonna store the resume in a variable. Our resume we're gonna start in a variable. So we're gonna store a resume in a variable. So we're gonna name it resume equal to docx2text. Sorry, process on process, and the name of our document docs. Then we're gonna print our data, print resume. Sorry, here. So like we see here, the resume is printed from a document to a text, like we see here. So then we're gonna do the same thing in our description job. We're gonna store our description job in a variable. So let's name it desk or job underscore desk equal to doc explode on process and the name of our files. Then let's print it. Print job underscore description, and we're gonna run it. The same thing is here happened. The doc the doc files is convert to a text. Software engineer job description. So now we're gonna create a list of text. So we're gonna create a list of text. Let's create a variable. Let's name it text equal to a list of resume and job underscore description. Let's run. Now we're gonna import one more library that will help us to count each word in the text. So from sqlar matrix, sorry, not matrix, future extraction for text, import count vectorization. So let's name cv point equal to count vector. Then count new variable matrix equal to cv point fit transform text. So it's okay right now. Then we're gonna import one more library. So from sqlar matrix, sqlar point matrix point pair was pair was import causing similarity. So this function we're gonna tell us how similar this text is. Then let's print the similarity score. So we're gonna print the similarity score. So print similarity scores. So print the Poisson similarity of our count matrix. And let's run it. Now we get our similarity score of our text. So this 0.63918, that show us our similarity text in a round. So sorry. Now let's get the match percentage. So get the match percentage. So match percentage equal to causing similarity of our count matrix 0 and 1 100. So we put 0 1 to take this value of code from our matrix, and we multiply it per 100 to take our percent. So then match percentage, let's put it equal to a round of match percentage, that then to take around to 2 decimal places. Then we're gonna print our resume similarity. So print your resume matches about, that's plus, let's convert to str, match percentage, then plus of the job description. So let's see how much our resume is similar to the description job. So like we see, your resume match is about 63% of the job description. So here let's off the job description. So guys, this is a very simple program, but you can develop it to give a better model. So if you guys enjoy, and I hope you enjoy this video, please put some likes and share the video, and you also leave some comments if you want to ask about anything. I do my best to prepare this video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel. So goodbye and see you in the next tutorial.